Breathing device. So this is one of the mandatory parts of the fireman equipment. Main component, except this harness, we have this cylinder and the protective mask. The cylinder is also filled up with compressed air. So it's not oxygen, it's compressed air.
Pure oxygen, no pure oxygen.
Normal pressure is usually from 200 to 300 bars. This is the mandatory part of the fireman outfit, and this part is used for firefighting. So in the cases of fire on board, the guys who are appointed to be firemen on board, usually it's 2 ABs. This one is for firefighting. Properly.
Okay, after I explain.
Okay, actually, if you have something
Then
else.
normally how much pressure we have? Can we check now?
This one we don't.
Gauge no?
गेज है ना गेज होगा
Gauge
यहाँ
होगा,
गेज
gauge,
से-
yes, gauge.
यहाँ गेज
Okay,
से-
just
से-
open this. Now we will see.
Actually goes up to 290.
It can show them, okay?
We can check, guys. Here the pressure it's around
Now
280.
again check alarm.
मुझे बोलते हैं मैंने तो
हल्का दबा के छोड़ते जाना उसको। बस हाँ तो बस ठीक है। हाँ रोक लो एक बार। ओके बस छोड़ो ना छोड़ दो।
40 में कुछ आता है ना 40 में आएगा ना
ठीक है। So pressure is okay. Third.
Pressure is okay.
So one more thing. Normally a healthy person we consume 40 liter of oxygen per minute. If normal during normal walking, if you are walking normally, how much we consuming? For normal person, healthy person, 40 liters. But same once you wear this one and you go to firefighting or you going to rescue somebody from enclosed space, change with age also. For example, second engineer will go down, he will consume more age factor. AB will go down, he will consume less because of body mass and because of age factor also. Maybe he will consume 60 liter per minute. He will consume 35 or 40. Depend upon age factor, depend upon location also. If you go to ballast tank or cargo hold to rescue somebody, exertion. And what? We will consume more oxygen. So always listen to gauge. Before coming alarm or you see pressure low, come outside. And one more thing we can calculate for this is 6 liter, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
We can calculate, this is not exact, but we can calculate how much minute it will last. For example, this is 6 liter. Pressure is how much?
280.
For example, pressure is, this is 6 into 280 and divided by 40. If you're doing normal work, it will last 42 minutes. Okay, this will finish, but this is not exact. Okay, but 42 minutes it will be finished. Same you will going to firefight, not 40. You will do 60, for example, 28 minutes finish.
Mostly it's around 30 minutes because we are more active,
Yes.
and depending on the age, these are also
These
extra
are also
factors that.
yes, age factors and
Yeah.
health. Then we can wear now and show.